I'm rambling on hankies. It feels good. I like hankies. Hey, this is Paul at Paul Component Engineering, and we're here to talk about handkerchiefs, or also known better as hankies, or also known better as a bandana. Anyways, here's my story. When I was growing up, I was born without a pollen issue. I was born without a thing that cleans the pollen out of my nose. So like always, entirely, just growing up, just every spring, and then like 6 months, just snot, so much snot. One time I went to elementary school, and I think it was 3rd grade. I hadn't figured out a handkerchief yet. I hadn't figured out what's going on, but at some point I had to take my t-shirt off, blow my nose on that, and just wear my jacket all day. It was disgusting. It was bad. Over the years, I did get a handle on this problem, and I would like to show you what the solution is. The solution is a hanky. So I've always been very in tune with hankies because of the nose thing. I've gotten older, it's gotten better. Still, we're coming up to the season where these bad boys are gonna get a real workout. So what you got here is you got your basic, this is the hanky everybody knows. Square, about that big, 2 sides. See the 2 sides? And that is a special printing process. And in order to do that, you know, I'm a fan. I've been looking into hankies for quite some time. You have to buy technically, I do believe it is called a load of them. So we were not ready to do that for a long time. This was the ultimate dream for me. I'm rambling on hankies. It feels good. I like hankies. But we did make this. Now this is the ultimate hanky. We've made other hankies single-sided, but this is the one where the ink goes all the way through. This is the cream of the crop. This is the Cadillac. This is the Mercedes. I've got some sewn-edge up here. But this right here, this was a single-sided one. You are what you seek. So, but I have made efforts to wash this. This is 2021, and quite frankly, it was kind of horrible. It was kind of scratchy on the nose. It was like not pleasant. So I said, okay, how many times do I have to wash a single-sided hanky to get it soft? And I did it. Apparently 5 years later. But why not just start out with the kind that already gets soft really quick? This one hasn't been washed enough. You can still feel it, but never fear. Anytime you do the laundry, put your hanky in there. It just gets softer and nicer, more hygienic. You can just do, you know, it's good. It's good for you. And then you got spills. You take the hanky out. Oh no, I just spilled my beer. That's so embarrassing. Oopsie, no I didn't. See, very handy. Gosh, I just changed my oil by the side of the road. I need to wipe my hands off. So this right here, this is an example of, this is a very well used hanky. And I've actually had this for many years. This is probably one I found on the street. Our filming consultant today, Travis T, California Travis, he's found them on the road. There we go. Yep. Road scores. They are the best because they're like broken in, but really broken in, like by car tires, by storms. That's what works really good. Just, yeah, wash it all the time. The moral of the story, put it in the driveway, drive over it a few times, clean up some oil, you know, use twice as much soap, then don't use any soap. You're gonna love it. Really, I'm a fan. They're very useful. Oh yeah, there's always, don't forget this part, dude, over this part, where, hey, give me all your money, or, you got any of the kind around here? You got any of that? Just asking for a friend. Anyways, I love a hanky. Thanks for putting up with me for this. And if you need a hanky, you know where to go now.
Mana mana.